Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Google account is active on the phone. This links Cloud Contacts. Next, open the built-in Contacts app or the Google Contacts app, whichever you prefer. If permissions appear, grant contacts and account access so the app can read synced entries. Once done, tap the menu or profile icon to pick the correct Google account. This ensures you view the right contact list rather than a local device-only set of entries. Now you focus on filtering and searching so you find contacts fast. Open the app settings or the left menu, choose Contacts to display, and select your Google account so only synced contacts appear. Make sure to use the search bar for names, emails, or numbers. It's faster than scrolling. When you tap a contact, review phone numbers, emails, and labels. This tells you why entries are grouped and which info syncs across devices. If you need edits, you can do that here. Finish by confirming sync and making any necessary edits so your phone matches Google Contacts. Go to Settings Accounts Google, choose the account, and tap Sync Now to force an update. This pulls missing entries. Edit or merge duplicates inside a Contacts menu so changes save to the cloud. If contacts still don't show, restart the app, toggle contacts sync off and on, and ensure mobile data or Wi-Fi is active. That usually resolves most sync hiccups.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.